Question for the Okay, now it's clear. I think I'm in mute actually. So okay, yeah. So today we'll discuss like installations of Confluence installations. Okay, like to install this same we want like first Java pathset, database, download Confluence and install and setup. Okay, so like we are already know like how to install Java installations and Java pathset and database as well. Same, we'll go with H2 database and again we can able to migrate it. And next option is only download Confluence. So how we need to download? Just open any browsers and just enter download Confluence download or download Confluence. You just enter Confluence download and just will get it these options like download Confluence Jira. Same Jira and Confluence both are same. Instead of Jira, we need to enter the Confluence. That is a difference. So like previous of Jira, so we'll get it download Jira server, but now download Confluence server. So everything will be same. So once you enter, we'll get it these two options. So these two options like one is a Confluence latest one, it is an enterprise release. Okay, so we'll go with 7.3.4 version latest. And if you want low older version, just click on older versions. So once you click on older versions, and we'll see this all versions here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So latest version is 7.3.4. Okay, so download that, just click on 734 and select and Windows and click on download. So once you click on download, it will be agree and click on submit. So once it is submitted, it will be start download here. Okay, so but I'm already downloaded this. So Atlassian Confluence one. Okay, so if I open my download, so Confluence 734, this Confluence file more than Jira and size. So coming to Jira, it is a very less. See here, 384 only. But coming to Confluence, this is the more data, more MB space. So when you install Confluence in your systems, your system will work very slow. Okay, so make sure like record me. Okay, that's Santosh. 1 second. Okay, so once it is downloaded, just run as administrator, the same. Okay, so once you click on run as administrator, the same options will get it like custom express installations options and the path set installation folder, application folder, and everything. It will be asked the same. So we'll see. To enter okay, so when you click on run as administrator, it will be comes to same Confluence install. Just click on next here So here same options. So express, custom, upgrade options. So we'll go with customs installations. Just click on next. Same installation folder, program files, Atlassian, Confluence. There in Jira, program files, Atlassian, Jira. The same things. Then click on next. Same and program files, Atlassian, application data, Confluence. Same, click on next. So here it will becomes to Confluence option, click on next. Same Confluence default port number is 8090. 8090 is a Confluence default port number, and you have to note it this. So this interview level as well, they'll ask you like what is the default port number of Confluence. So you have to make sure 8090. And if you want to go with, you just click on this option. If you want to set up yourself, you just select these options and enter your port number. And I will go with 8090. Just click on next. And same options like install service Confluence as a services. Yes, click on install. So once you click on that, click on installation. That installation will be start. Okay, so once it is installation is done, then click on start Confluence now. Click on next. Okay, then launch Confluence 734 in your browser. Just finish it. So in a browser level, it will be automatically start localhost 8090. Okay. So once the conference is started, the same trial installation, production installation, two options will become. So in a Jira, how it comes like set up for me and set up by default or something. So that same two options will become here. So just click on production installations here. Okay, so trial installation means it will be go with trial database for you, embedded database evolution only, and later you need to migrate to your own external database. Choose options what you want in a production instance of Confluence. So same, click on production installation. So from here, you just click on next. So here, Confluence questions, get apps, Confluence questions, Confluence team calendars. If you want this too, we can able to select it. And this is the some extra apps. It will be automatically install here. If you don't want this, just uncheck it and just click on next button. Okay. So just click on next and uncheck that. Same to get license for Confluence. So just click on this place, and so once you click on that options, and click on data center or server anything. So I think that is a server. Click on server and not yet install, and click on generate license. So once you click on generate license, click on OK. So the same will be applied there. Okay, once it is applied, so then click on next button again. So once you click on license, once you enter license, it is automatically ask you to my own database or build it. So we'll select with build it, or if you're selecting own database, it will ask like the or database connections. So I'll select build it database. It will be external. I mean like H2 database will be installed automatically. Click on next. Okay. So once the database is set up done, so it will be comes to load content. Load content option will become. So this option will be comes to like this example site and empty site restore backups. Like if you selecting some example, some data will be create automatically. And if you see this empty site will become so we can able to start up from starting onwards. If you have any other backup, we can able to restore it from here. So you can select the instead of this two, I'll select suppose empty site and you will go with some example site. You can see that differences. Okay, so I'll go with empty site. So once you click on empty site, we'll get it some options here like manage users and groups within Confluence and connect to Jira. Okay, so if we have some users in or Jira, from that place we can able to get that all users into this place. Okay, so here manage Jira. So okay, so here I'll go with first manage users within the Confluence. Next I'll tell you how to integrate it with Jira. Okay, so I'll click on here manage users group within Confluence. So once you click on that options, it will be asked like username and password are everything. So I'll select my usernames. So what I'm entering daily. So create your account and just click on your password and advanced.